I never was there, but some guys talk to me and say one time in the race, I don't know, in Italy or something like that, the screw from the fan here, it was a safety plate and blah blah blah, and he lose the screw or the nut, and then the fan go like a helicopter. Yeah, because it was not only, when you looked at it, was not only a blade, it was the form, the aerodynamic form. So
yeah. Yeah.
And with a 12-cylinder engine, for me it was a wonder that you can cool a 12-cylinder engine with one fan. Not bad.